Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to share with you some amazing packing hacks that will make your travel experience much easier and stress-free. Whether you're going on a short trip or a long vacation, these tips will help you pack smartly and efficiently. But before we dive in, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos. So let's get started with the top 10 packing hacks for stress-free travel. Number 1. The first packing hack is to use packing cubes. Packing cubes are small containers that help you organize your clothes and accessories in your suitcase. They are usually made of fabric, mesh, or plastic, and have zippers or Velcro closures. Saving space, packing cubes can compress your clothes and fit them into smaller spaces. You can also stack them neatly in your suitcase or backpack, leaving more room for other things. Sorting items, packing cubes can help you sort your items by category, such as shirts, pants, underwear, socks, etc. You can also use different colors or sizes of packing cubes to distinguish them. This way, you can find what you need quickly and easily without rummaging through your luggage. Protecting items, packing cubes can protect your clothes from wrinkles, stains, dirt, or damage. They can also keep your items secure and prevent them from shifting or falling out of your luggage. Saving time, packing cubes can make packing and unpacking faster and simpler. You can just transfer the packing cubes from your luggage to your hotel drawer or closet, and vice versa. You don't have to fold or unfold your clothes every time you pack or unpack. Number 2. The second packing hack is to roll your clothes instead of folding them. The packing hack of rolling clothes instead of folding them is a simple yet effective way to save space and reduce wrinkles in your luggage. Rolling clothes can help you fit more items in your suitcase or backpack, and also keep them more organized and easy to find. First, lay the item of clothing flat on a smooth surface and smooth out any wrinkles with your hands. If the item has sleeves, fold them in towards the center. Second, fold the bottom edge of the item inside out about 2 or 3 inches, creating a pocket along one side of the clothing. Third, start rolling the item from the opposite end of the pocket, as tightly as you can. Fourth, when you reach the pocket, tuck the roll inside it and press it firmly. Number 3. The third packing hack is to wear your heaviest clothing on the plane or in the car. This way, you can save space and weight in your luggage and avoid paying extra fees for oversized or overweight bags. For example, you can wear your bulky jacket, boots, jeans, and sweater on the flight, and pack your lighter clothing in your bag. Number 4. The fourth packing hack is to bring an empty bottle with you. This will save you money and time at the airport, as you won't have to buy expensive bottled water or wait in line at the water fountain. You can fill up your bottle after passing through security and stay hydrated during your trip. You can also use your bottle to store liquids that are less than 100 milliliters, such as shampoo, conditioner, lotion, or sunscreen. Number 5. The fifth packing hack is to scan important documents and email them to yourself or store them in a cloud service. This way, you'll have a backup copy of your passport, visa, tickets, reservations, insurance, and other documents in case you lose them or they get stolen. Scan important documents. Use a scanner or a scanning app on your smartphone to create digital copies of your important documents. This could include your passport, driver's license, travel insurance papers, flight and hotel booking confirmations, etc. Email them to yourself. Once you have the digital copies, you can email them to yourself. This way, you can access these documents from any device as long as you can log into your email account. Store them in a cloud service. Alternatively, you can upload these scanned documents to a cloud storage service like Google Drive, Dropbox, or iCloud. Just like with email, you can access these services from any device with an internet connection. Number 6. The sixth packing hack is to avoid a leaky mess by putting plastic wrap over the openings of your liquid bottles and then screwing the caps back on. This will create a seal that will prevent any spills or leaks in your bag. You can also put your liquid bottles in Ziploc bags for extra protection. Number 7. The seventh packing hack is to call your credit card company before you travel and let them know where and when you're going. This will prevent them from blocking your card due to suspicious activity or charging you foreign transaction fees. You can also ask them about the best exchange rates and ATM locations in your destination. Number 8. The eighth packing hack is to have your paperwork accessible at all times. You don't want to waste time digging through your bag for your passport, boarding pass, or other documents when you need them. You can use a travel wallet or a pouch that hangs around your neck or waist to store these items and keep them handy. Number 9. The ninth packing hack is to pack a spare set of clothes in your carry-on in case your luggage gets lost or delayed. You don't want to be stuck wearing the same clothes for days or having to buy new ones at a high price. You can pack a simple outfit that can be mixed and matched with other items, such as a t-shirt, jeans, underwear, socks, and shoes. Number 10. The 10th and final packing hack is to pack a travel pillow to sleep on the plane or in the car. A travel pillow can make a huge difference in your comfort and quality of sleep during long journeys. You can choose from different types of travel pillows, such as inflatable ones, memory foam ones, or neck pillows. So these are the top 10 packing hacks for stress-free travel. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more travel videos. Thank you for watching and happy travels.